happy and excited to be before you once again. I come up with an information for you. Jaipuria Group of Educational Institution, in its quest towards excellence, is now coming up with a new venture. A 360-degree development and a global citizenship is the promise of the institution. And now in 25-26, it's coming up with IEYC, the International Early Years Education for the Pre-Primary Children. This is going to be a different ball game altogether, something different and something really exciting. It promises the developments of the 21st century skills like communication, collaboration, critical thinking, creativity. And the teachers join hand with the parents, bringing in a very transparent system where the parents are aware how the transaction is taking place and can be very participative towards the procedure as such. It will also focus on the social skill development, the emotional development of each and every student, a very, very customized approach where a different strategy for the child according to his or her needs will take up the scenario. It can be very good, it will be very good, and that's why Jaipuria has ventured into a curriculum as good as this for the very tiny toddlers of the school IEYC session 25-26.